Hey guys, I'm Purva, she's Swara, my cousin and my lockdown model. I'm assuming that you have watched the masterpiece Money Heist already, and even if you haven't watched it, I'm sure that you must be familiar with the Dali mask, which has become an icon throughout the world. People are actually using the outfit of Money Heist in real life for political protests. So we decided to do a photo shoot of the same, and we recreated the Salvador Dali mask look. We did a lot of jugaad for the makeup, outfit and props. Swara played a very important role in this photo shoot. To recreate the look, it's really difficult, and Swara made it possible.
So the first thing, the eyebrows were so hard. So Purva
I helped, yeah.
She helped me in that. And then the base layer was so thick.
Second comes the outfit. We used my crop top as a hood.
Actually, we were not getting a red hoodie, so we did this jugaad.
Yeah.
So third comes the props.
My sibling was very fond of guns, and we had a gun lying around, so we used this as a prop. And we had fake money notes lying around, so we used this as well. So the last part is the shoot, and I was personally very disappointed because when we got done with the props, the outfit, the makeup, by that time the sunlight was down. It was very dim, but it worked in our favor, and we got the shot. This was our jugaad journey. So without further ado, let's get into the video, the editing part.
So I always make my frames straight before editing, and then I move on to change the exposure contrast. So in this case, I'm going to just play a little with the exposure and contrast to make the subject stand out. I'm going to lower the shadows again to make the subject stand out, and put the blacks down, whites up. Moving on to the colors, we'll just lower the vibrance a little and go on to the color palette. Play around with the red because it's the main color in this picture. So I'm just going to also play around with the yellow because her face in this picture is yellow tinted, so I want to make it look more real, more human like. So now it looks a little more human. Moving on to change the clarity texture to make the picture more sharp, and just lower that wing edge down to make the background look more black. I'm going to export this picture to Snapseed. So if you have seen my previous editing videos, you must be knowing by now that I always use the portrait effect after exporting my pictures from Lightroom, and then I move ahead to tweak the brightness, contrast, ambience. Here I'm looking at the details and healing whatever is unnecessary. I'm going to use this feature face spotlight so the photo looks more professional. You can play around with the amount of light to be viewed on the face. The skin smoothing is also there, and also the eye clarity, which I'm going totally overboard with, but it looks nice. So just have a look how different the picture looks now. So I recently learned this super awesome Snapseed setting, wherein you have the option to set the compression free file format and the image quality of JPG to 100. Also, you can work with dark theme or light theme. Wow.
If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
Bye bye.